Hi friends! Today I'm going to be making ebi chili. Ebi chili is one of the most famous and popular Japanese-style Chinese dishes that is influenced by Szechuan dishes, but it's not too hot. You will find ebi chili on menu in any Chinese restaurant in Japan. You can enjoy ebi chili at any time of the year, but especially in summer, I feel like eating something spicy, and this is the one I go for. I think you feel in the same way. Let's get started. Let's start with preparing the shrimp. Stick a toothpick just underneath the shell and pull out the vein. Peel and sprinkle a little bit of salt to make it clean. Place under cold running water and pat dry. Put them in a plastic bag and dust with flour. Don't skip this process to stick the tempura butter not falling off from the shrimp. Mix water and tempura flour to make a batter. Tempura flour is a pre-mixed flour that saves time, but you can always make your own. I'll put the ratio for that in the description box below. Heat the oil for frying in a pan and put it on a medium heat. Quickly deep fry your shrimp when it reaches 180 degrees Celsius. Take it out onto a wire rack to release any excess oil and leave it until the sauce is ready. I use garlic, ginger, and long green onion to make the sauce. Cut a slit vertically on long green onion and peel off the outside. And cut along with the grain to make a thin strip. Release in water to eliminate the harshness. This will be a garnish to add the fresh aroma and a kick. Mince the core of the long green onion and garlic and ginger. These three fragrant ingredients are indispensable to making the authentic Chinese dishes, but if you don't have it, you can replace it with the grated garlic and ginger in a tube, and you can skip the long green onion. You can still make a great sauce without it. Heat a frying pan and drizzle 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Turn off the heat to low and cook them until fragrant. Add 1 teaspoon of Doubanjan, which is a Chinese spicy bean paste. If you like it spicy, you can add more, and if you don't like it, reduce the amount to your preference. Continue cooking until fragrant and evenly distributed. Add ketchup and cook for a while and bring out the flavor and pour the sake. Reduce a little until it makes the sauce. Put the shrimp back in and toss to coat. Gently stir and shake it around, not to break the batter. When it looks good, transfer to a serving dish and top with long green onion we have just prepared. And there you have it. The texture of the shrimp is so good and comfortable, and the crispy butter soaks up that nice spicy sauce. I usually serve with the soft scrambled egg and hot steamed rice. This is so good. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!